Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're watching this, it's either because you have some sort of interest in the stuff I do, and if you're here by accident, I'm sorry, but maybe you'll find something interesting in what I've got to say. Let me start first of all by saying what I'm not. I am not an expert. I don't have any particular skills. I'm a real jack of all trades. A lot of the stuff that I do in my videos I've done for the very first time. But what I am is a dad in his late 50s who discovered very late in life, only very recently, only a very few years ago, that I love making stuff. I love turning things into things that can be used by me, by my family, by my friends. And that's very much the point of this channel. Now, I discovered this through some fantastic content creators on YouTube who are amazingly skilled, who are really good teachers. And most importantly, what they did is they made me believe I could do it, stuff that I thought I could never do. And that is because they say it's okay to fail. If you fail, you try again. It doesn't matter. And that gives you huge confidence. And although one learns so much from those people, and I would encourage people to watch them, and if you ever want a list of who I'm talking about, please just ask, is that you are watching somebody incredibly skilled and you're trying to go along with them and do what they do. And the encouragement I've had in starting this channel is that with my videos, you're going through the learning process with me most of the time. Some of the skills I've acquired in the past, you might see videos that I posted in the past where I was learning that skill and I've now got it now. But what I'd like to do is to encourage you to trust that you can do this, to trust that you can make stuff that you wanted to make, and that you can learn if you're willing to fail. Okay? So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this. And I hope you can join me on this adventure. And please subscribe, comment, give me suggestions of stuff I should try. If you'd like me to help you with anything, just ask. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Thanks for your time. And I hope you enjoy it.